Hello. Very good morning again, guys. Okay, so this is the lecture number 2 for moving charges and magnetism. Okay, for boats. Okay. So firstly, we are understanding the right hand thumb rule. If we are not able to understand this completely, then there's no meaning to learn this whole chapter. Okay, so let's do quickly the right hand thumb rule once again. Okay, so we all know that these arrows, vector is represented by arrow. Okay, so if this is an arrow, if you are keeping your eye over here, okay, so this whole thing, it will look as what? It will look as what? Dot only. Correct? Now, if this arrow is moving away from you, so if you are keeping your eye over here, it will look as cross. So dot and cross. Yes or no? So it will either dot or cross. So if dot is there, it means what? The arrows are coming towards you. And cross means what? They are moving into the plane. Dot coming out of the plane, cross into the plane. Why we are learning this and why dot cross? Because see, this world is 3D, but this board is 2D. We cannot draw 3D objects on the 2D, guys. Okay, I'm not an artist. Maybe with more skills I can do it, but are you getting it? Key? It will take a lot of time, right? So basically, to represent 3D stuff on 2D, we are doing this. Okay, chalega. Okay, dot means the arrows or that force or particular anything, it is coming out, and cross thing means what? It is moving inside. Okay, just asking you, in general, the magnetic field, it is represented by dot or cross. Okay, so basically, if this is the case, so we are saying that this is magnetic field. Okay, this is magnetic field. Okay, so over here we will say magnetic field is going into the plane. Whereas if this is the case, then we will say magnetic field is coming out of the plane. Magnetic field going inside the plane, magnetic field coming out of the plane. Okay, so this is the thing. Chalo. This is the very basic thing about cross and dot. Correct? It's very easy to understand. It means what? The arrow's magnetic field is coming like this, and over here it is moving inside the plane. I hope you are all getting it, right? Very good. Good. Now, see. Now, question comes like this. Question 1. Okay. Question 1. Magnetic field is inside. Okay. Question 2. Magnetic field is outside. ठीक है मैम? चलो. So, if charge is moving like this with velocity v, over here, charge is moving like in the same direction with velocity v. Okay, over here we are seeing the charge is positive. Okay, so what will be the direction of your force? Okay, pause the video and attempt it. Done. Chalo. So we all know force is nothing but what is the direction of force? मेरे साथ everyone, if I'm moving the hand, you should also move the hand. Which hand you should move? Right hand. Right hand. If you are lefty, if you are lefty, okay, so again then too you have to use right hand. Right hand. That's why it is named as what? Right hand rule. Right hand thumb rule. Correct? Okay. So over here. So we all know that force is nothing but, take अच्छे से, the force is nothing but Q into V cross B. Force equals to Q into V cross B. मतलब क्या? अच्छे से देख. Force. So V. Firstly, you have to move your, hand in the direction of V and curl the fingers. You can move in any direction. Now you have to fix the direction of this hand. Okay. So how will you? Because V is in this direction, I can move in any possible direction. Yes or no? I can move in any possible direction. But if I have to fix the direction over here of this palm, now I will say, okay, B, magnetic field is inside. So V, and I'm moving and curling the finger towards what? B. V cross B. So force is upward. Okay. Thumb will show us the direction of force. V. Now you can move in any possible direction, but you have to move in the direction of what? B. So that you have to move the hand such that you can curl your fingers towards the direction of magnetic field. So it is in the upward direction. Force over here, you will write like this. Okay. Force, if this is velocity, force will be in this direction, upward direction. Are you getting it? V cross B. Okay, very good. Now over here, V is in this direction and B is in what direction? Towards you. Yes or no? So you have to move your hand such that you can curl your fingers. You can curl your fingers towards you. You can curl your fingers towards you. So now the thumb will show us the direction of force. So over here, the direction of force is in what direction? Bolo. The force is in what direction? In the downward direction. Okay? Few things that you should notice over here. First thing, that this force is perpendicular to V, and this force is also perpendicular to magnetic field. Perpendicular to velocity, perpendicular to magnetic field. And whenever we do cross product, obviously it should come. The force over here, it should be perpendicular to velocity and magnetic field as well. Whenever we do cross product, it means whatever the resultant vector is, it is perpendicular to the both of the vectors. Okay? Chalega? Okay? So yes, it is perpendicular to V. It is also perpendicular to your magnetic field, because magnetic field is inside and the force will be in this plane. Obviously it is perpendicular to magnetic field. Are we getting it right? Similarly over here, V in this direction, cross B. So force in the downward direction. Force is perpendicular to what? Velocity, and it is also perpendicular to your what? Magnetic field. Are we getting it correct? Please look carefully and move your hands. Move your hands with me. Otherwise you will have problem. Move your hands with me. We will, do not worry, we will solve at least like 15 question kar lenge. We will solve 15 questions. Do not worry. Okay? But at least in 15 questions, make sure that you are learning this. Otherwise you will have problem. Okay? So what is the rule? Point your right hand in the direction of velocity, okay? And then curl the finger. What finger? Curl the fingers in the direction of magnetic field. ठीक है, चलेगा. So this is right hand thumb rule. Okay. So thirdly, the thumb will show us the direction of the thumb will show us the direction of magnetic force. ठीक है, चलो. The thumb will show us the direction of magnetic force. Done? Awesome. So now let's understand this whole thing by solving more questions. Question 4, question 5, question 6, 7, 8. चलो. ठीक. These are the direction of what? Magnetic field. This is B. Magnetic field. Magnetic field. Magnetic field. Magnetic field. Okay. Now, your charge over here, it is moving in this direction. ठीक है? B. Okay. Your charge over here is moving in this direction. We already did. Okay. It is moving in this direction. Chalo. Charge is over here. It is moving in this direction. Charge Q1 moving in this direction. ठीक है. Over here. Okay. So pause the video and try to do the question. Okay. Move your right hand. Firstly, point the fingers in the direction of what? Velocity, and then curl them in the direction of what? Magnetic field. Okay. Chalo. Done. Acha. Pause the video. Okay. ठीक. So V in this direction. V. Everyone with me. With me. You have to move your hand with me. V over here. And where is magnetic field? It is inside. So V. I can move my hand like this anywhere. Correct. So, but I have to move my hand such that I am able to curl the fingers towards magnetic field. Now few of the students will say, okay sir, over here V is this Now, can I curl the fingers in this direction? No, beta, you only have 4 fingers. You will break them. Okay? So please do not do this. V, you have to move your hand such that your hands can be curled towards the direction of magnetic field. V, cross B. Thumb is showing us the direction of force. So force will be in what direction? Like force is in this direction. Okay? Chal over here. V in this direction. V in this direction. And B is coming towards you. देख V ऐसे मत करना कि V इधर है तो ऐसे कर रहा है. V in this direction and B in this direction. देख towards you. Now, are you getting it? V cross B. So your force will be perpendicular and it will be in this direction. Are you getting it? Correct? Okay. Now over here, V in this direction, V cross B. V cross B. Are you getting it? V cross B. Do not do it like this. Okay? The velocity is like this. V cross B over here. ठीक है? देख यहाँ V in this direction and B is inside or outside the plane. It is on the plane. ठीक है? So over here, think logically. Can the force be on the plane? Can the answer be on the plane? No. If these two vectors are already on the plane, then force should be perpendicular to both of them. So you only have two choices. Either the force will be outside the plane or inside the plane. So either force will be a dot or it will be a cross. आज देखते हैं V over here and now B is in this direction. देख V over here and magnetic field in this direction. Correct? So force is in what direction? Force is out of the plane. Are we getting it? Correct? Okay. इधर से देख V in this direction and magnetic field in the downward direction. V. Okay. So over here force is in what direction? Into the plane. So क्या जाएगा आंसर देख? Into the plane. Force is into the plane. ठीक है? Over here, does it matter? Like there is no guarantee that velocity and magnetic field should be at 90 degree only. No, they can be at any angle. Okay, but the force will be perpendicular to both of them. So again, if these two vectors are in this plane, the final vector either it should be out of the plane or inside the plane. I hope you are getting it. So V and velocity, magnetic field is in what direction? In the upward direction. V cross B. ठीक है? It does not matter if V was like this. If V was like this, again over here. Are you getting it? So, but in this case, V cross V over here and in the direction of magnetic field. So over here. ठीक है? So again, force is out of the plane. ठीक है भाई? Out of the plane. Is it clear? Is it clear? Oh, very. Now, few other rules. The continuation of rules. Fourth, the force will be perpendicular to both velocity and magnetic field. ठीक है, फिफ्थ वन अब अच्छे से देखना, ठीक है। फिफ्थ वन, we are solving it in a form of question, ठीक। If this charge is negative, okay, if this charge is negative, let's say your electron is there, ठीक है, the charge over here is negative, charge over here is negative, ठीक है भाई, charge over here is negative. Now it is moving in this direction, तो वो force will be in what direction, ठीक है। So according to you, you will do कि v over here, velocity in this direction, magnetic field inside, so you will say कि force in upward direction, but no, whatever force is coming, do the opposite direction. Are you getting it? Why? Because this charge is positive charge or negative charge? Negative charge. So V cross B in the upward direction. In the upward direction. So force. I'm so sorry. V cross B in the upward direction. Force is coming, but we have to do in the downward direction because charge over here is negative. Are you getting it? So if charge is negative, the direction of force will be opposite. The direction of force will be opposite to the direction which is coming from V cross P. Why? Because force is not V cross P, it is Q into V cross P. If charge is negative, then yes, your direction is also negative. Are you getting it? That's why. ठीक है, चलो, because force is Q into V cross P, so you have to respect charge as well, the sign of the charge as well. Are you getting it? Correct? Okay. So if Q is positive, same direction. If Q is negative, the whatever direction is coming, please do the opposite thing. Very, if I'm the questioner, I will give you this question. Because you will solve, you will use your hand for 15 questions and I want you to make the mistake. Okay? So instead of Q, I will put negative Q. Very easy. Okay? If I'm doing this, 50% of the students, okay, wrong answer. At least it can go up to 90%. Are you getting it? Yes. Chalo. Okay. Now, few more questions. Magnetic field in this direction, in this direction, लेट्स से वेलोसिटी इज इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, ठीक है, वेलोसिटी in the same direction. Okay, now velocity in this direction, but this is negative q. Okay, this is a negative charge. Please attempt all these questions. Done? Chal. Over here, if velocity is just parallel to magnetic field, if its angle is 0, then force will be 0. Okay, force will be 0 if velocity and magnetic field are making angle what? 0 degree. Over here again, if the angle is 0 degree, force is 0. No force will be there. Okay. Okay. Over here, V in this direction, but magnetic field in this direction. V in this direction, but magnetic field in this direction. Okay. So answer should be V cross P. According to you, it should be outside, but this charge is negative or positive, this is negative. So answer will be inside. Inside the plane. Okay. Over here, Q in this direction, magnetic field inside. So according to you, force should be in this direction, V cross B. Correct? But this is charge negative, so in this direction. Correct? It will come in this direction. Okay. These things are but yeah, V in this direction, magnetic field in outside direction. So V cross P. V cross P. Okay? So force should be in this direction, but it is negative charge, so answer will be in this direction. Okay? Over here again V cross B, है ना? Force should be in the downward direction, but it is a negative charge. V cross B, force should be negative in the downward direction, but it is a negative charge, so that's why force should be in this direction. I hope you're getting it. Done. Okay, so few more start points we should write. Okay. Done, Danta? Aye. If V and B have angle theta between them, and if theta is 0 degree or theta is 180 degree, this is for parallel, this is for opposite direction or anti-parallel. Okay? So force in these two cases, it will be 0. Force will be 0. Okay? When we have angle theta between them, and if theta is 0 degree, parallel or opposite, then force will be 0. Why this is coming? Because we already know that force is nothing but Q into V cross B. Okay? So what is cross thing? V B into this thing into sine theta. Okay? Into sine theta. Okay? So over here, if theta is given as 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 150 degree, you can put over here and get the answer. So at theta equals 0 degree, sine theta is 0. At 180 as well, it is 0. Correct? So that's why the answer is coming like this. Okay? So if someone is asking you कि भाई देखो कि F max is there when Q VB sine 90 is there. Okay? Very logical thing, because sine is maximum at 90 degree. So answer will be just Q V B. Correct? This is the maximum force. Done, guys? Okay. So this was all about the cross product. I hope you would have learned something new from here, and please remember the formula. Please do not make the mistake in case of electron or in case of negative charge. Otherwise, you will be in a very, very, very great problem. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.